Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the newest high-ticket affiliate programs out right now. And I'm going to be actually taking 3 days out of the week, and I'm going to go look in my comments section. I'm going to look at any questions that you guys have. I'm going to answer them here on my channel. So we've got a recent question from Doovidoo, who said, "Thanks so much, Josh, regarding one of my previous videos. Would you create an update video talking about the newest top high ticket affiliate programs?" The last video that I created was back in February of 2017. And that's when I was promoting a different high ticket offer. Now, to be transparent and honest with you, that offer ended up getting shut down by the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission. I made over $300,000 with that offer. And the reason it got shut down was because, number one, marketing claims, and because they believed that affiliates were promoting, which was true, promoting the opportunity to make money from the opportunity versus promote because of the value of the products. And that's a huge discrepancy. That's a huge problem in the marketplace. And so since then, I've been super hesitant to promote any high ticket program. Until last July, I've been promoting one sort of in the background. And the reason why I decided to partner up with this program is because I know the owner. I was in an affiliate program with him back in 2014. He's a reputable guy. He's very down to earth. He's in it for the long term. He's not in it to make a quick buck, because there's still high ticket programs that are coming out every single week that are not compliant with FTC. So it's just a matter of time before they get shut down. He's actually hired a compliance team. He's hired lawyers to ensure that he's promoting his business and that we're promoting the business as affiliates in a way where we're driving customers because of the value of the products, not because they can get in and purchase the products and resell them and make high ticket commissions, right? Although that's great, that's a side effect and a benefit of being a part of the specific program. Now, I'm not saying that this program is necessarily better than any other out there. This is just one of the programs that I happen to come in contact with in my network. One of my good friends actually brought this specific program to my attention, and he's somebody that I trust, right? And then I realized that the owner of this program, it was in a company called Empower Network back in 2014, when Empower Network was doing really well. And he reached the top of the leaderboards there. And that was my first company I had really good success with as well, and my first high ticket program. So a lot of these high ticket programs come and go. But since they've put a lot of the right people in place to ensure this is around for quite some time, this is the current product that I'm promoting. It's called the Super Affiliate Network. And if I go to my business right here, results not typical, within just the past few months, I've been able to make $18,081.54. And of course, it's high ticket. So any of these products range anywhere from, $2,000 all the way up to about $20,000. Okay. So if you're looking for something that's high ticket, highly leveraged, then you definitely want some sort of high ticket in your arsenal of affiliate products that you're promoting. I don't care what industry you're in, health, weight loss, make money online like I am. You want to make sure that you have a high ticket program, because high ticket is what changed my life. I promoted a lot of ClickBank products back in 2012, didn't quit my job. 2013, didn't quit my job. When I finally started promoting high ticket, it took me from making, $300 to $500 a month to $5,000 to $10,000 a month. I had a back-end system that allowed me to create leverage and work less and make a lot more. So you want to make sure that you have that. But keep in mind, if you're going to get involved in a program like this, make sure you're not just getting in, to just make a bunch of money and earn high commissions. You got to make sure the value of the products are there, which definitely with a super affiliate network, they are there. So if you go and you log in for the first time, you actually get a $1 trial to check it out. they've got what's called the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, and there's 3 phases and 15 total modules. So just in the 3 phases that you have here, this is a lot of stuff that you can apply to your own business with whatever business you're promoting. So I've just been told from my students, as well as going through this myself, that this has more value than a $5,000 product that you would pay for, right? And you get access to all of this for $1 to check it out. And then it's $47 a month if you decide to go ahead and stick with, the system and with, getting lifetime access to these 3 phases here. After that, right, as you're going through these phases, you have a coach that's going to walk you through, help walk you through each of these modules and sort of have calls with you after each one of them to make sure that you're getting the most out of the program. Now, these coaches also want to ensure that you would be a good fit for the next level, which is like the masterminds and other products that teach a lot more of the tactics and in-depth marketing strategies, which again can cost you anywhere between $2,000 and $20,000. I'm just being completely transparent with you. So the value is definitely there because masterminds provide that personal hand-holding, that personal touch, and being able to see people in the flesh and realize they're just like you and they're getting results and they're making, 5 figures a month. And it goes to show you, hey, this person puts their pants on just the same way that I do every single morning. If they can succeed at this, there's no reason why I can't, succeed too as well. So this is the program that I'm promoting because they've got the right leadership in place. They've got the right, high ticket sales model. They're in compliance with the FTC. They've got lawyers in place. They've completely changed their messaging to attract the right people and sort of deflect the get rich quick mindset. So this is one of the programs. It's an amazing program, Super Affiliate Network. You can check it out in the description. There's also a few others. Let me just jump over here. There's the Finish Line Network. Now, I made a review about this a couple weeks ago. This is another high ticket program I don't necessarily recommend. Why? Well, the commissions aren't that good. A lot of the products are rehashed. They do live events, like live web events, which is great, which helps you kind of stay up to date with what's going on with marketing right now. But what they did is they took products that released in the past and rebranded them and put them under this brand name known as the Finish Line Network. So it's great for leaders that have a big following, that want to build a big downline, but for newer people, the commissions aren't that great, and there's better options like the Super Affiliate Network or Legendary Marketer. I actually worked with David Sharp one-on-one about 2.5 years ago. He's a trustworthy guy in the industry. Besides Super Affiliate Network, this is the other program that I would probably recommend to you. I'm not involved with Legendary Marketer. I just know David Sharp personally, and he built his business really off of being an amazing storyteller. He's always been a really, really good speaker, and that's allowed him to have a lot of success in the industry. You'll notice that each and every guru in this industry created success in a different way, and they have this bias about what works and what doesn't work. A lot of marketing methods work. You just got to pick a mentor that you really resonate with. And he's a great guy, and he's built his whole entire business off of, just creating a story and getting that story out to the marketplace, your authentic story, and turning that mess into $1 million message. And that's what he's really been able to do. And that's what he teaches within his course. He's got products that range anywhere between $30 all the way up to, it looks like $5,000. With Super Affiliate Network, let me just keep going down here. There's some other products that looks like they're right around $2,500. But Super Affiliate Network is going to range anywhere between the $47 per month all the way up to $13,000. All the products, if you decide to buy all the products, it's about $17,000, which is probably equivalent to what Legendary Marketer has, if not more. They're great programs, both of them. Again, I'm involved with Super Affiliate Network, but I've heard good things about Legendary Marketer. At the end of the day, it's not just about the system, it's about the mentor too as well. So, if you get access to the Super Affiliate Network and really take it seriously and decide to upgrade to one of the high ticket levels, I offer incentives for that. You get bonuses, you get access to my personal coaching and weekly calls with me. So if you're interested in checking it out, there's going to be a link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. And if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Check out below if you would like to try out Super Affiliate Network, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.